come into possession of a letter that was sent to all prospective candidates and representatives of the governing Jamaica Labour Party by the Prime Minister and JLP leader. And I'm going to read the letter in full because this is a virtual instruction manual to all the JLP's representatives and prospective candidates, especially in light of the conduct of Mr. Warmington on Sunday and the growing controversy over the rhetoric we're hearing from some of the political platforms. According to this letter, which was sent to all of the JLP representatives this morning, and that's how we got the leak. Because whenever you send a letter to more than one person, then it's no longer private and confidential. It says, re-standards of the Jamaica Labour Party. The government that you have helped to form has accomplished significant achievements during our terms in office. Problems once thought intractable have seen profound transformation. The national debt cut in half, the poverty rate cut in half, the murder rate cut in half, no net new taxes in 10 budget cycles, the largest highway and road infrastructure developments, and the longest, the most comprehensive reclassification of public sector wage compensation in Jamaica's history, among many other transformational achievements documented in our achievements prospectus. This is the JLP leader and Prime Minister speaking to his party. He says, our work speaks for itself. However, this is not enough. Even as we have accomplished much, there's still much more to be done to continue the journey from poverty to shared prosperity. We must therefore also speak about our vision, mission, and plans for the future as captured in our soon-to-be published manifesto. Our platform is one of achievement and a strong vision. We have a positive, active, and strong message, supported by a track record of achievements. We must be good messengers. And this is a paragraph which I think is most instructive. Candidates and others representing the Jamaica Labour Party platform have a duty to the people, the law, and mores of our nation to conduct ourselves with regard for the highest standards. We're not in a race with the opponent to the gutter. We're not in a race with the opponent to the gutter. According to the JLP leader and Prime Minister, we are forming a pact with the Jamaican people to lift everyone to the highest levels of achievement and fulfillment. Conduct and statements which suggest or promote discrimination, violence, racism, misogyny, bigotry, objectification, or any form of vulgarity must not, and not is in bold, must not be a part of our platform. Such conduct is not who we are or aspire to be as a people and a political organization. Ahui matak. We are the party of equal rights and justice. All who are prepared to abide by our standards are welcomed. We are the party of steady progress and shared prosperity. Our conduct, says Holness, must reflect our values, reinforce our achievements, and exemplify our vision. There must be no distractions from our message as we ask Jamaicans to consider our achievements and choose or demonstrated capabilities to take on intractable problems and successfully execute ambitious programs to transform Jamaica. In the coming days, the Secretariat will be in direct contact with you to review the party's operational standards for candidates and other representatives and reaffirm your compliance and discipline adherence. By our conduct, let us show we're the best choice for Jamaica. That's a letter from the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party and the Prime Minister to his 60-odd candidates and representatives. And I'm sure this letter was somehow prompted by the rhetoric we have been getting from the political platform, and in particular reference to what we heard on Sunday from Everald Warmington. Yes? Prime Minister speaks of behaving in a way that is in accordance with the highest standards and mores of our nation. Yeah? All right. That's where we're going to leave it this afternoon. I want to say special thanks.
Jamaica says it will not renew its license with the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, under the current terms. The announcement was made by Energy Minister Darrell Vaz at a press conference held at Jamaica House on Tuesday.
I wish to advise the country that this morning, in my capacity as Energy Minister, I wrote the Jamaica Public Service Company and gave formal notice of the government's intention upon expiration of the current all-island license not to renew under existing terms. My letter to the JPS was written pursuant to condition 27 of the license, which provides the government of Jamaica to acquire the licensed business at the expiration of the terms of the license. That expiration date is July 8th, 2027.
The government of Jamaica holds a 19% stake in JPS. Japanese company Marubeni Corporation and Korea East-West Power Company each own 40%. The energy minister says it is not the government's intention to return JPS to state ownership. It should be, he says, rather the administration is committed to pursuing the best deal under the most favorable terms for all Jamaicans.
It is not the intention of the government of Jamaica to take charge of the operations of the JPS. Prior to the expiry of the current license in 2027, we intend to renegotiate new licensing terms and conditions with potential investors which are favorable for the people of Jamaica.
Darrell Vaz, Energy Minister. Meanwhile, Darrell Vaz is appealing to the opposition PNP to react responsibly to the development regarding the JPS license. He says the issue is far too important to be politicized.
So, as I say with the school buses, leave the politics out of this JPS Government of Jamaica matter. Because at the end of the day, all Jamaica is going to benefit. This is not for one side or the other side. This is for the future of Jamaica generations to come, our kids, grandkids, and great-grandkids. Please, I haven't been successful with the rural school bus, but maybe I'll be successful with this one. Leave the politics out of the election campaigning on these very sensitive matters.
Darrell Vaz, Energy Minister.